Welcome to NewBQ.
What is up, NewBQers? What is up, all my backyard grilling friends? All, like, you know, 3 of you that watch this channel. Yeah, it is what it is. I normally try not to do back-to-back videos of the same thing, like burgers and burgers and burgers, or steaks and steaks, or chicken and chicken, whatever. I try to do something a little different every time. But today I got something. Today I got something really good. And it's not exactly a burger, but it's not exactly a steak. Technically, these are Ribeye Burgers. These are beef steak burgers. There's 4 patties in here. I found these at the store the other day, and I'm like, I like steak and I like burgers. Steak burger. It's not your typical steak burger. It's a ribeye burger. It's made with ribeye meat. Yeah, we'll give it a try. So I'm not cooking it on the Weber tonight. I know. I cook a lot of things on the Weber, but tonight we're going to do something. I use this all the time. You guys just don't see it as often, but I'm using my Blackstone. This is what I'm using tonight to cook this video, because last night, actually it was the night before last, we cooked burgers out here and they were fantastic. I mean, those burgers were great. I made big old juicy burgers on the Blackstone and they turned out amazing. So I'm going to do the same recipe out here, but I'm going to use these big ribeye burgers. I know, you guys. For all of you guys who watch me and see all my flubs and my words, you know that this is typical, I guess. But all that aside, let's get this done. I'm hungry. I already got my bacon cooked, so I'm just gonna cook these burgers and toast my buns, and then that's it. That's all I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna put them together, let you see what they look like, and that's it. So let's get this sucker fired up and get cooking. All right, take my burger here, take my little wax paper. We're just gonna slap these bad boys on there. And then we're gonna take some of this. This is the good stuff right here. This stuff is great on pretty much anything. Hamburgers, any kind of beef. I suggest trying this stuff. It's nothing expensive, nothing exciting, but it works. It's just kind of like an all-purpose seasoning. All right, here we go. Just gonna sprinkle a little on. Yeah, put a little more on that one. Alright, so that's it. Just gonna let them suckers sear up just a tad, and then we'll flip them over and sear them on the bottom, and then hopefully we get them nice and done through the middle. I'm not sure if this is gonna make much of a difference. We're just gonna stick that on there for a little bit, and then I'll switch it and we'll stick it to the other side. Alright, take that off. Grab my utensil. We're gonna flip these bad boys. Not as done as I should have let them go a little longer, I guess. It's weird that these ones got a little darker than this one. So we're gonna scoot them all just over just a little bit. And that'll help you with the steaming process we're about to do. So, got me one of these. Now this is actually not one you can buy at the store. This actually has a Weber grill handle, and that is just a 9x13 pan. And we're just gonna do that. We're just gonna let it kind of steam up, and hopefully they're gonna taste mighty fine. All right, I'm going to try to toast my buns just a tad. Toast them suckers up. One thing I don't like is how these are like caved in, so you almost have to like push down on it to get it to toast. But we'll get a little bit of a toast out of it at least. I don't like pushing them down. I like them to stay up and rise up, but we'll just toast them up a little bit. Alright, let's check these. Looks like they're grilling up nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Told y'all, I do like me a good burger. Whoever invented this was a genius. Put a little steam back on it. Alright, I'm taking it off again. Now, I know people say, oh, you only flip it once, only flip it this way, only flip it that way. Nah, I like to get a nice even cook. I'm a fan of a nice even cook on there. If you do all that one side stuff, you run the risk of not getting it done evenly. See, like that one needs to be switched out again. So we need to take this one, probably take this bad boy down here, take this one over here. We're gonna run it a little hotter. See, just like that. Moving it around a little bit. All right, there we go. Just like that. Now, as you can see, I got all this around here. That's just that, some of that seasoning flaking off, but there's still plenty of seasoning on there, so we're not gonna worry about it. All right, check our buns. Ooh, yeah, nice and toasty. Yeah. Perfect. 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 All right, now, set y'all down here. All right. Take that off. I'm gonna flip these one more time. Oh yeah, those are nice. Super nice. All right, this here is a little bit of butter. This is garlic parmesan herb butter. Get it at the Wally World if you need to know where to get it. Put a little pat of butter on there. Oops, a little extra on that one. Okay. Let that butter heat up. Oh. Alright. So, butter's melted. Make sure you always unwrap your cheese first. Those individually wrapped cheeses are hard to get out of the package fast. Okay, last time. Alright, now that's just going to steam that cheese, get that cheese nice and melty, and then we're going to go over here and we're going to put this burger together. Alright, look at that. That cheese is nice and melty. Oh boy. Okay, we're going to pull all this cheese off now. Cheese. We're going to pull the burgers with the cheese off. Alright, let's put this sucker together. Let's put a couple of these burgers together here for you. There's one. There's two. Them suckers are hot. Alright, a couple of them bad boys. Let's put a couple pieces of bacon. Now, I always like to put a couple pieces on mine. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Bacon. Now, simple enough, right? A little bit of ketchup. Or a lot of it, whichever. And always shake your mustard. Top them with that nice toasty bun. Bam! That is a ribeye steak burger. Alright guys, that is it for me. I'm gonna go inside and eat these burgers. My wife's inside. She is waiting on me very diligently to get these burgers done. We're having some great big, like twice baked potatoes, and I can't wait to eat. I'm starving. I've been hungry all day. So we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And as always, check out my Facebook, check out my Instagram. We'll see you next time. Love you.